Though it did not present particularly alarming conservational problems, in the course of its long history, Michelangelo's David had accumulated a series of injuries of various nature and origin, which now visibly mar its surface. Three principal types of alteration are evidenced in particular: loose deposits of dust, present in different quantities over the entire surface; sulfation residues formed by plaster; and numerous little yellowish wax stains. With these interventions, positive results were obtained of an aesthetic, conservational, and static order. Under the aesthetic profile, although the prudence of the procedures adopted did not visibly modify the overall aspect of the work, the surface now appears more orderly and balanced in the relation between light and shadow. By eliminating or attenuating the conspicuous spots and stripes, we've restored continuity to the shaping and the formal dignity which is always due to a masterpiece. From the conservational viewpoint, by far the most important result is that of bringing the presence of surface plaster within limits that do not pose a danger to the future of the work. Also positive for better protection and easier maintenance was closing the holes called tarroni. Finally, from the viewpoint of statics, redoing the connections of the broken left arm, replacing the dangerous plaster puttying, guarantees the necessary stability in a particularly fragile and exposed point.